Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Today, we're diving into the Investopedia crypto price tracking app, examining its functionality, user experience, and overall performance for managing your crypto portfolio. Links to the app can be found in the description below. The Investopedia crypto price tracking app stands out as a powerful tool for anyone seeking a blend of dependable price tracking and insightful educational resources. Leveraging its established reputation in financial education, Investopedia seamlessly extends its expertise into the cryptocurrency realm. The app delivers real-time price updates for a diverse range of over 30 cryptocurrencies, encompassing major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as numerous altcoins. Beyond simple price tracking, the app provides crucial market data, including market capitalization, trading volume, and price fluctuations across various timeframes. This comprehensive data allows users to stay informed about market movements without needing to constantly monitor cryptocurrency exchanges. A key differentiator for the Investopedia app is its emphasis on educational content. In addition to price tracking, the app offers a wealth of articles, tutorials, and guides designed to enhance user understanding of the crypto market. This educational focus is particularly valuable for newcomers to the crypto space who require more than just raw numbers. They need context and insights into the dynamics of the cryptocurrency market. The app also features in-depth reviews of various cryptocurrencies, alongside news updates, empowering users to make more informed investment decisions. The app boasts a clean and intuitive interface that makes navigation and data comprehension straightforward for users of all experience levels. While accessible to beginners, the app also incorporates tools and features appreciated by more seasoned traders. One such feature is the customizable watchlist, allowing users to track their preferred coins, set price alerts, and receive notifications about significant market shifts. This functionality is invaluable for active traders who need to remain attuned to market conditions without being bombarded with extraneous information. Investopedia's app is ideally suited for individuals new to cryptocurrency or those seeking a balanced approach to market data and educational resources. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or possess prior experience, this app provides a robust foundation for managing your cryptocurrency investments. In summary, the Investopedia crypto price tracking app proves to be an excellent option for both novice and experienced users seeking reliable price updates, robust educational content, and valuable market insights. If you're searching for a comprehensive tool to keep you informed and educated about the world of cryptocurrency, this app deserves your consideration. Be sure to check it out.